This area here is slightly bent out, but can be mended. The overall integrity of the frame and door are intact. No signs of any damage other than the two lower panels. No damage to this frame. There's a small area where this is tweaked. I'm not sure if this damage had anything to do with the door, because our damage with the door, because when our truck went through the door was over 8 foot up in the air. Here's a function test of the door. As you can see, there are no loose panels and no cause for concern as far as panels falling down or coming off the track. There's also no noise or binding of the door in any manner. I'll lower the door. Again, no issue with the door, other than the panel being bent, which we'll replace once we get the go-ahead.